Okay.
Okay.
Because imagine when you get into this role that I have a gastric problem, I have a constipation, and I have these problems, then that becomes a laughable moment where people can comment on you, and then things can go in a
Okay,
wrong
well,
direction. So it is
Right,
always
right.
yes.
advisable in
Okay.
group discussion.
Okay.
You can give one, maybe out
And
of people, or let's say out of 10 people, 5 people may have a gas problem. This should be the best way to communicate in group discussion. Never ever
okay.
give your example. I have a gas problem. No, I don't eat junk food. So you can say out of 10 people, 5 people who eats junk food, they have a probability to have
Right.
a gastric problem.
Bharti has started that I'm eating
I
Maggie
know.
after
Yeah,
class.
yeah. Yeah. But later Bharti will start complaining that everybody is pointing me that do you have a gas problem today? When people will start asking such questions. So no personal attacks. No personal
Okay, right,
attacks.
So
right.
okay.
Exactly.
So when people have rajma, so why they are facing gastric issue?
Okay. I guess this conversation is leading towards some genuine
Gastric
gastric
problem.
problems now. So let's kill this one. Okay, no more Rajma, Mooli, and all of this. Okay, junk food versus home food. I know you all will say home food is better. Am I right? Everyone?
Right.
Okay, then I'm the one who will say
And you
junk
I'm
food
will
is.
say
foodie.
junk food.
I am foodie, so I like junk food.
Yeah.
But still, Jonah,
After some time, Jonah will change their,
Ah,
uh,
that is why Jonah advanced
I
joined the Ravi sir.
like
momos,
junk food, so I will support junk food.
Okay.
John, see, eat momos.
I think everyone
Ma-
knows
Auntie,
No, no,
I
no,
like too. I love too momos. I
no. Do
also.
not reveal the secret. Let's start the conversation. So, how many you favor healthy food? Raise your hands like this. Healthy
Healthy food,
food.
sir. Healthy food.
Okay. Now,
What
how
do you
many
mean
you
by
favor
healthy
junk
food?
food?
My
Sir,
hand is
me.
both.
Oh, we have three
Depend on.
people. Wow, so
Depend
wonderful.
on.
So Kashmita, Anindita, and Bharti. Yes, they three are
Yes.
favoring for junk food. Let's begin the conversation. Go ahead. Start.
Sir, I think everyone knows junk food is not good for our health. But although we like the junk food because it's too delicious. That's why we
Delicious.
like junk food. But we know it's not good for our health. Home food is very healthy because it's nutritious food. But junk food is not nutritious. It's mm, mm, sometimes we eat some uh, mm, mm,
Deep
what
fry.
Every day, like
uh,
for me, every day I want junk food. My mother is like screaming on me, but still I want junk food. Still, I am thinking after this class, I will go and make a Maggi for me. So I love junk food. Whenever my sisters are visited our home, I always tell her, let's eat something now, let's eat something. Otherwise I influence my niece and nephew regarding the same. So I love junk food, and I think it's always gives watering in my mouth, I think.
okay.
Now, not all restaurants have unhygienic. Nowadays, some restaurant is hygienic also. So, junk food is not harmful for us, and it serves times, save our times.
You can have junk food, then after that you can have warm water.
It's very.
What a solution.
What is solution?
Means
It's nice
you
solution.
you are eating poison, then
Bhavnaji.
you are going to the doctor.
Priyanka, you are belong to Tripura, no?
No, I'm not
No,
belonging
She
to.
is in Delhi.
I'm from
No,
Delhi.
sorry. Kashmita.
Yes, I'm from Tripura.
Kashmita, you said now there's some restaurant have hygienic food
There is
also.
no hygiene in any
Hygienic
restaurant.
because in Tripura, many big restaurants are there, but in these
Mm.
restaurants also, few days ago we saw in
It
news
is
that
like we are serving a
Anindita,
poison in a beautiful silver
Yes.
plate. Just like
Anindita,
that.
you were
yeah,
You should
supporting
not
junk
have
food.
junk food.
yeah,
It can
but
harm you in a long time. After a long time, not you cannot see any changes in your life or in
Uh-huh.
your health right now. But after some time, you definitely see the difference. When I was young in your age, Bharti, I also used to eat momos, patties, pastry, burger, pizza. I love to eat it. But after having some problems, some health issues, I left it. I removed it from my food diary or my kitchen. I don't prefer to give it to anyone, and I don't prefer to you also. Don't eat it. It definitely will spoil your body, your health. Maida is not good for health. Okay, and fried food is never sweets. We should not eat this type of food. It will definitely harm you. The diabetes patients, or the fried food. We If we eat fried food, definitely it will harm our heart.
I love spicy food.
It
Bharti,
also
actually,
will harm
I
your lungs.
I said now that I know junk food is not good for our health, but
But still we like it.
still I like it.
I know.
So
We like
See,
it.
taste
I
is
do
what?
not I do not
Taste is
agree with
what?
Priyanka Di. I do not agree with Priyanka Di because
Why?
anything if you eat so much will harm you. And if you
Yes.
talk
Yes.
about
Of
junk food,
course.
if you do workout, if you do workout,
Hmm.
you can eat anything in the world will not harm you.
Yeah.
But if you do not do
So
workout,
But
even
Bharti
if
is
you
eating
have
Maggie
I
every
the
day.
healthiest
Bharti
food,
is eating momos every
I have not
day.
completed.
I want
I'm saying even if you have the healthiest food in the world and do not do workout, that will not help you at all.
So you
The
want
so
to say
primary
that
thing
you
is
can
if we
do
eat,
workout.
you want to say that if we eat daily junk food and we do
no.
exercise daily, it will not
We
harm.
can't
You want to
take
say
No,
like that?
daily,
I'm
no.
No, this is
but
not
junk
right.
food
This
also
is not
affect
right.
for exercise also.
After some time, you
Junk
will
food
get the
affect in
results.
exercise also.
so I'm going to
No.
give a gyan to all. You can have junk food, then after that you can drink warm water and do workout.
yes,
Absolutely.
yes,
Fair
yes.
enough. So you need
No,
to make
sir,
your
it is
intestine
like
strong.
no, sir. It's like you are giving us poison and go to the doctor and take
So
medications,
so why
right?
in this pandemic why people are making junk food in their home?
Home.
If
Very
it's
true.
You
not
can
healthy.
Yeah,
see
yeah,
it
very
is
true.
not
Lot
the
of
junk food. If
Golgappas are
you are
being
talking
No,
about,
no. We are making pasta. It also made
you
by
can
maida.
make wheat
Bharti, we
pasta,
make
wheat pasta.
pastas,
Don't
Maggies
eat
at
maida
home, but
pasta.
not on daily
Okay.
basis. Okay.
So
Yes.
And another thing, we should use wheat, not maida.
Jona, mummy,
Okay,
come.
we should use less oil. We should fry, shallow fry. We should not eat deep fried.
But
Then we can
taste is
have it.
taste is different, na?
so
No,
Shallow
what
it
fry
is
and
not
we
deep
should
different.
fry.
I
no
made many things in with the shallow fry.
we know
Jona, mummy, coming.
we know corona is going on and a lot of diseases are taking people are suffering from many diseases. Still people are making different junk foods in their home.
Yes.
They are using food color.
Yes.
It's better to go outside
Yeah,
food.
it's
It's
better to
better
go
to
out.
make in home.
I think make it home and eat.
Why? It's
Uh,
all
so
like
junk food will
yeah.
still remain a junk food even if you cook it at home.
Yes. Yes.
Maida will not get changed itself. In spite you get it
No,
from
sir,
outside
but
or
oil
from.
no, no.
I
The
want to
oil
say
is
something
different.
more.
Used in restaurant and home. It's different oil
See,
used.
who
There is
who
no.
eats junk food, he will eat.
There is
Either
no
it is
hygiene in the
homemade or
restaurant.
either it is
No. Homemade
from
is
the market.
Maida,
I'm saying the
is
same thing.
prepared
we
for
prepared
Yes.
is properly wash after wash and
We
that
also count cold drinks in junk
Maintain
food, but
Right.
yes.
when we have a
It is
digestive
a
problem,
pesticide.
No,
we are
cold drinks
afford
is
cold
not
drink
good.
to
Today's
digest.
during today, cold drinks are not
Nee,
good for health.
I'm
I
saying
don't agree with cold drink.
we are counting cold drinks as a junk food, but when we are facing problem of gas or something like that,
No. It's hot
that
water is
that
good,
that
not
time
cold drink.
Yes,
people
you
are
can have
preferring limca.
ajwain water. Now you can have ajwain
Yes,
water,
yes.
jeera water for
Join
digestion.
water. Yes.
How many people
But
are
in
taking all
Cokes and
jeera water and all
Spites,
these things?
I don't have the problem, digestion
I
problem,
My
take,
so
I
I don't
take.
prefer to have
my my
Coca-Cola, cold
mother
drinks, and
my
jeera
mother
or
used to say
Me too.
take some limca, you will feel better.
because the high
No. It's not done.
Sprite also,
It's warm
Sprite also.
water is good for
actually
you.
our tongue need some delicious food, so we can
Some delicious. Okay.
replace junk food with healthy food in a same manner.
You know,
You know,
Prankadi,
as
I take Eno in limca only because
okay.
my mother suggested.
Why are you not Eno in plain water?
I can have,
You
but
take
my
It is
mother
also a
said
plain water.
chemical.
Then
it will
it's
give
work.
you rapid relief.
Ah,
I have seen one
She
thing.
used to say,
See, who needs these cold drink or limca digestion things? Who eat junk food? Okay, if you
yes.
eat healthy food, na, you no need to drink
I'm
cold
not
drink, limca, and Eno.
I'm not facing these things every day. Sometimes it happens
When
with
you
Some
me.
eat junk food, when you eat
Sometimes it
momos,
happens with you also.
Priyanka, it's not
oh, I
compulsory if
don't.
you are eating healthy food and you don't need any gastric things.
Yes.
Of
I'm
course.
eating healthy food at my home in this pandemic. We totally depend on
Okay.
home-based food.
Let
Even
me
I
let me
cooked
let me
sometimes.
interrupt now. I'm sorry to say one more thing.
Okay,
Never ever give any example on yourself or
okay, sir.
on
Okay.
your family. Okay,
Okay.
because imagine when you get into this role that I have a gastric problem, I have a constipation, and I have these problems, then that becomes a laughable moment where people can comment on you, and then things can go in a
Okay,
wrong
sir.
direction. So it is
Right,
always
right.
Yes.
advisable in group
Okay.
discussion,
Okay.
you can give one. Maybe out
When
of people, or let's say out of 10 people, 5 people may have a gas problem. This should be the best way to communicate in group discussion. Never ever
Okay.
give your example. I have a gas problem. No, I don't eat junk food. So you can say out of 10 people, 5 people who eats junk food, they have a probability to have
Right.
a gastric problem.
Bharti has started that I'm eating
I
Maggie
know.
after class.
Yeah, yeah. But later Bharti will start complaining that everybody is pointing me that do you have a gas problem today? When people will start asking such questions. So no personal attacks. No personal
Okay,
attacks.
right,
so
right.
okay.
Exactly.
So when people have rajma, so why they are facing gastric
Okay.
issue?
I guess this conversation is leading towards some genuine
Gastric
gastric problems
problem.
now. So let's kill this one. Okay, no more rajma, mooli, and all of this. Okay. Have I missed anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Bhavna Di, come on, relax, relax. Your camera is shaking like hell. My God. As if,
Yes, sir. I'm trying.
calm down. No, we know that you are Bharti's elder sister, so we know, we can understand it. There is no surprise.
Okay.
Bhavnadi must be laughing on your, acting, whatever you are doing. I'm a gastric problem. I'm this problem. I think she is laughing on this.
No,
Right, Bhavnadi?
I was just stating the
No,
dialogue that
yeah, no.
usually people say that. Okay.
Bhavnadi, you don't to eat for digestion. You are
Wow.
It is a laughter channel now.
laughing medicine for gastric.
Okay, so junk food is win.
No, one day you eat junk food, and after this day you eat healthy food.
Yeah.
That is
Oh, yeah.
manage everything.
Basically,
It is boiled food. One day deep fry, and after that day you boil.
I used to
boiled
eat
food.
everything like junk
Mooli.
food, even healthy food also.
Mooli food, junk food.
Radish.
I
You
like
Also, I have fruits also.
I like Karela.
Okay. I think enough of the discussion now.
Yes.
It's
sir.
fine. Okay.
For
Perfect.
junk food or healthy food, homemade food is best. I think.
Yeah, you're right. See, in group
Sometimes.
discussion, it is always the opinion. So no
Yes,
one
sir.
can impose anything. It's just your opinion. You feel healthy, you can say. So you can't force someone. In group discussion, you can only win, or you can only share your valid points, some logical points with examples. Do not say, I eat junk food, but I don't have any problem. Never. Okay. So these examples will not be valuable when you talk. So you'll have to be more of realistic. Fine. Anyways, I mean, there is a lot to go. So I think it's a great one. I think we really had a great class today. Everybody laughed so much. That's so wonderful. Good.
Laughter
Keep it up.
therapy done.
Yes, absolutely. I'm sure you all will have a great sleep today. I wish. Okay. And for tomorrow, you all have to write about the same thing. Junk food versus
Okay.
healthy food.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And send it to me on my email. Yep. Perfect. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Guru.
Thank you,
Gurudev.
sir.
Jai
Jai
Gurudev.
Gurudev.
Yes. If you
Hello,
still
sir.
want to ask something or you have a problem, you can ask me.
Sir, one of my friend, she wanted to join in your class. So has she joined now in your class, or sir in next batch?
In next batch.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I will tell her.
Yeah. It will start from I think this month. No, next month. We started from 16th of October. So November. From 16th of December, we will start another batch.
Okay, sir.
15th of December, you all will have your farewell party or farewell batch.
And my birthday too. We will celebrate on 15th December.
Wow, so great.
And mine, 17 December.
And
Oh.
mine 16 November after 1 month completed, 1 month complete anniversary and my birthday. Okay.
Perfect. So thank you so much, everyone. Jai
Bye
Gurudev.
bye. Jai Gurudev.
Good
Take
night,
care,
Gurudev,
all.
everyone.
sir.
Good night.
Are